Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Ready to witness the future of home robotics? Introducing the game-changing innovation from Shenzhen-based tech startup Stardust Intelligence, the Astrobot S1. And for the ultimate display of precision, check this out. Watch as Astrobot S1 pulls a tablecloth from under delicate wine glasses without a single one falling. This AI robot is set to revolutionize how we handle everyday tasks. Astrobot S1 blends advanced artificial intelligence with human-like proficiency, effortlessly carrying out tasks we thought only humans could do. Imagine having your clothes folded perfectly every time without lifting a finger. Talk about finesse and flexibility. Craving a snack? No problem. S1 prepares and cuts sandwiches with the skill and speed of a professional chef. From sorting items to ironing clothes, Astrobot S1 handles it all, making your life easier and more organized. With a speed of 10 meters per second and the ability to handle up to 22 pounds per arm, Astrobot S1 is a powerhouse in robotics technology. This hybrid design features a wheeled base and a humanoid upper body, perfect for research and scenario testing. Astrobot S1 is equipped with highly advanced software capabilities, including video and motion capture and remote operation. It utilizes imitation, reward learning, and multimodal large models for continuous intelligence enhancement through software updates. Experience the future of home robotics today with the Astrobot S1. Say goodbye to mundane chores and hello to more free time. Do you love exploring nature but find it challenging to keep up? Meet your new adventure buddy, the Densies X1. This revolutionary exoskeleton makes every outdoor experience more thrilling and effortless. The Densies X1 is not just a tool, it's your ultimate companion. Unlike bulky exoskeletons, Densies X1 is ultralight and compact, integrating powerful features into a sleek design. With dual high-density motors and advanced AI algorithms, it detects and adapts to your walking pattern, providing instant optimal walking assistance. Tackle rough terrains with ease. Acts as your endurance booster, reducing muscle fatigue and lightening your load so you can focus on the adventure. Conquer high altitudes like never before. Densies X1 minimizes the risk of altitude sickness and fatigue, ensuring a smooth ascent and a safe journey. Ready to ramp up your running speed? Densies X1 is your speed accelerator, helping you set new records while protecting your knees from unexpected injuries. One also features a workout mode for isokinetic exercises, perfect for strength training and rehabilitation. But it's not just for the great outdoors. Whether you're shopping, visiting museums, or exploring theme parks, Densies X1 recognizes your walking patterns and provides seamless assistance, making every step easier. It even serves as the perfect walking aid for the elderly, enhancing mobility and comfort. Embrace the freedom to explore without limits. Experience the thrill of the wilderness with the Densies X1, your ultimate adventure companion. Are you tired of the scorching heat and looking for a way to stay cool and comfortable all day long? Meet the FunSnap Neck Fan, your ultimate solution to beat the heat in style. FunSnap is designed with comfort and convenience in mind, making it the perfect companion whether you're at home, in the office, or out and about. One of the coolest features of FunSnap is its stretchable air outlet, which can be adjusted up to 60 degrees. This ensures complete coverage of cool air from any direction, giving you a refreshing breeze without any dead angles. Equipped with an 8-core Hurricane motor, FunSnap delivers threefold cold air streams that cool your body within seconds. Its dual cold air system ensures a comprehensive cooling experience from both the top and bottom, covering a larger area by 30% and providing a 360 degrees refreshing experience. Thanks to the AR Turbo Cold Wind system, FunSnap compresses air to to produce genuinely cold air, reducing the temperature by 25 degrees Celsius. Feel the instant refreshing breeze that keeps you cool all day long. And the best part, FunSnap can last up to 24 hours on a single charge, so you can enjoy cool, refreshing air without worrying about battery life or getting tangled up in your hair. Don't let the heat slow you down. Stay cool and comfortable with FunSnap, the ultimate neck fan technology. Are you ready to experience the ultimate e-paper tablet that offers exceptional flexibility and keeps you focused at all times? Meet the Tab Ultra, designed for extreme e-paper performance and concentration. With the Tab Ultra, you can see content clearly as if it were printed on the screen. Its full laminated display brings the text closer to your eyes, making it feel like you're looking at real paper. The crisp black and white display creates a calm, distraction-free environment for you to stay focused. The solid crystal aluminosilicate glass shows everything sharply, helping you concentrate on the content. Use the device day and night by turning on the dual-tone front lights with better evenness, ensuring a clear view in any lighting. The 10.3-inch Tab Ultra looks compact with its straight corner design and thinner bezels. Its phantom black color seamlessly fits into any working environment. Plus, the anti-fingerprint coating on the back keeps it clean and neat all the time, just like a pro's style. Experience responsive and smooth performance with a unique GPU for fast refreshing and an octa-core CPU for multitasking. The Book Super Refresh technology offers 4 new refresh modes, making reading, browsing, and using apps on the close-to-paper screen a delight. Need to digitize documents quickly? Turn on the rear camera to take a picture of your document and convert it to text instantly. With its 16 million pixels, the camera captures even the smallest details. Powered by Android 11, the Tab Ultra offers 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and a microSD card slot. Install your favorite apps, store numerous files, and read documents in various formats with ease. You can even subscribe to RSS feeds and use 2 apps simultaneously on the split screen. From boosting productivity to enhancing your reading experience, the Tab Ultra is your intelligent and powerful e-paper tablet PC. Ready to revolutionize your rides? Meet the MDT Mini, your versatile life companion for all scenarios. Whether you're commuting in the city, transporting cargo, or exploring the great outdoors, the MDT Mini is here to elevate your journey. Equipped with a rear trailer, the MDT Mini excels in busy city commutes and easy cargo transportation. Need to escape the hustle and bustle? Take it camping and enjoy the freedom to roam. Its all-terrain wide tires ensure exceptional performance on beach sands and rugged mountain trails. Urban life, adventurous wilderness, or seaside relaxation, MDT Mini is your capable companion for endless adventures. Feel the thrill of speed and power with 2 1000W rear-wheel motors propelling you up to 50 km per h. These powerful motors provide significant torque, making climbing slopes with a 30-degree incline effortless and enjoyable. Outstanding traction and stability on any terrain thanks to its impressive power output of up to 1,440 would conquer various road conditions with ease, reaching up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. Fully recharge in just 8 hours and you're ready for the next adventure. Enjoy a comfortable ride with 4 350-pound shock absorber springs that absorb most road impacts. The MDT Mini ensures every ride is smooth and enjoyable. Experience unique driving pleasures in any scenario with the MDT Mini. Get your MDT Mini today and embark on endless adventures. Hey clock enthusiasts, ready to add a touch of retro-modern flair to your space? Introducing the Rantug, an electromechanical cam clock that blends vintage charm with modern elegance. With its walnut base and all-metal body, Rantug perfectly interprets mechanical punk. Made from aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and brass, it's a stunning centerpiece for any room. Rantoge uses motor rotation to drive the cam, reporting time with mesmerizing mechanical precision. It's not just a clock, it's a DIY kit that you can assemble yourself. The clock features brass gears for strong wear resistance, stainless steel screws that won't rust, and self-lubricating copper bearings for smooth, long-lasting operation. Customize your Rantoge with 6 vibrant acrylic sticker colors: yellow, black, green, orange, red, and light blue. Add a personal touch to your clock's digital display to match your style. Whether it's in your office, living room, or study, Rantoge fits seamlessly into any environment, enhancing your unique aesthetic. Assembly is a breeze with our detailed tutorial video. You'll have it up and running in just an hour. Hear the time with the unique mechanical sound of gears and cams in motion. Ready to blend classical design with modern technology. See the time with the flipping metal digital board. Rantoge isn't just a clock, it's an experience. Get your Rantoge cam clock today and enjoy the perfect balance of retro and modern elegance. Get ready for a game changer in the world of smart writing. Introducing the new Sync Pen 4. Our 4th generation reusable smart pen that takes note-taking to a whole new level. Use an eraser, wet wipes, or even a hot air dryer to erase your notes and then start fresh. The Sync Pen 4 features an intelligent writing system that captures your every stroke with precision. Thanks to its unique microdot pattern and built-in infrared camera, this pen captures over 200 frames per second, ensuring your writing is always spot on. The upgraded pressure sensor with 16,384 levels means every nuance of your writing is accurately recognized. Whether you're jotting down notes or sketching, the Sync Pen 4 matches your pressure perfectly. Never lose your notes again. Sync your handwritten content directly to the Newies app and save it in the cloud. Access your notes anytime, anywhere on your phone or tablet. Here's the coolest part: erasable writing marks. With reusable pages, you can rewrite on the same page over 500 times. Plus, the waterproof and sturdy pages ensure your notes are safe and sound. No matter how fast or slow you write, the Sync Pen 4 transcribes your notes accurately into 66 languages, including math elements and rules using MyScript technology. You can even switch between 4 colors and 2 line thicknesses without touching the app. The Newies Sync Pen 4 isn't just a smart pen, it's a revolution in how we capture and save our thoughts. Experience the ultimate in smart writing technology, making a greener, smarter world. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about what you saw as we are, make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. See you next time, Tech Explorers.